A huge value of the $1 Million Agent method is that it's all in one place and it comes with built-in accountability and built-in help along the way. That in itself is just very, very valuable, really helpful, and worth every penny. My name is Tim Burkey. I'm a real estate agent in Granger, Indiana, and I've been in real estate for about 8.5 years. I started out very slow on my own, doing, I think, 6 deals in my first year and up to about 50 this year. I got into real estate because I was in a role where I was working at a desk at a computer and realized that I really loved working with people and wanted to serve people through some of life's biggest transactions. Buying and selling a home usually coincides with other major life events. I realized there was a real opportunity to serve people in a big way. That's why I jumped in. My first 3 years, it was really a roller coaster of a couple deals in a month and then nothing. But once I was about 3 to 4 years in, I really started getting some momentum. I think in year 4, I doubled what I did in year 3. In year 5, I doubled what I did in year 4. And I got to a point where I was plateauing though, because I could not take on more business on my own. I found myself in the weeds on every transaction, all the paperwork, all the phone calls, all the inspection reports. Every little aspect of every deal was on me to manage. I didn't have an assistant. I didn't have any help, another agent, anything. I was really stuck at a level that was unsustainable. I wasn't able to grow anymore. I had no life outside of work. I knew that I needed help, and I knew that I needed systems and tools to be able to build without everything relying on me. I realized Lars would be able to help because I had been part of some of his mastermind groups and free training available through EXP and things like that, and realized that he has a lot of systems put in place, a lot of resources for just equipping agents to build teams, run teams. And he had made it very clear that he started out very similar to how I started out, but he was not in that same spot anymore, and he was able to have some free time, able to take vacations and turn work off at night, which is huge and very valuable. My personal life has changed. I've had a growth in number of sales in the last year, and I've been able to go home and be with my family at night and not worry that things are working or moving. My team is handling things when I'm not, and that's pretty amazing. The best part of the $1 Million Agent method for me has been having a step-by-step process that I can work through with a coach. The accountability of meeting with somebody weekly has really been beneficial to me as I try to build out these systems and I work to make progress. What are we working on? What are our goals for next week? And even if it's just 1 or 2 small things that I'm working in between all the production I'm doing, I've actually brought on a buyer's agent and had a change in my assistant position that my coach was able to walk me through. And so just being able to have that confidence and experience from someone who's maybe 5 steps ahead of me has been really, really helpful as I experience things for the first time. Here's the next thing. Here's some tools we've developed. Take this, use this script, use these emails, use these Trello boards. I mean, it's been incredibly valuable. Yes, the content, but also the accountability of a coach, a weekly meeting with a coach has been really valuable in the $1 Million Agent method. I have definitely had success with being more in touch with my clients using the 60-point system. We did our first client event just a few weeks ago, and it was a great success. Just being able to reach out to all those people and have something to invite them to, and a great fun way to say thank you and show appreciation to our clients. It's something I hadn't done before in 8 years in real estate, and I'm glad I did, and I will be doing it again. A huge value of the $1 Million Agent method is that it's all in one place and it comes with built-in accountability and built-in help along the way. That in itself is really helpful and worth every penny. I would say it's a complete package.